I'm not gonna lie, homework is getting harder, and I'm trying to figure this junk out. I don't know everything. You're missing it right here. You didn't do it right. It's supposed to look like this. No, ma'am. Took my son to the library with my children, motivating me to finalize homework, get a better environment, utilizing ISL. We're now doing the distributive property. I'm gonna try my best. So, all right, 9 times 6. Grab that paper, baby girl. Okay, go ahead and write your name. Copy every letter that I just did. You writing harder with that pencil isn't gonna help you, honey bunny. What's Let's go ahead and figure that out. Go ahead and figure out 9 times 6 first on this paper. Don't write it huge. We don't need to take up the whole paper. Figure out what 9 times 6 is first. Yes, honey. 6 circles and put the number 9 in it so you can go ahead and add it up. But I think we're getting to the part of the school year where I believe that I will need a tutor. Yep, now put 9s in it. Now it's time for me to act like I know what I'm doing and hope that I get the right answer. Alright, go ahead. Add it up. 9 plus 9. Keep going. Alright, go ahead and do 18 plus 18. I hope I know what I'm doing and I don't embarrass myself. Girl, you don't do math like that. You don't do math like that. You start in this column first. You don't start right here. Don't ever do that again. You hear me? You do the first column first. Let me make sure that that's correct. No, that's incorrect. Maybe if you start, if you maybe you're having a hard time with doing 3 numbers at a time when you're adding. So add that first, and then you're gonna add 18 to that. All right, baby girl, you're still missing letters. Go ask the librarian for another piece of paper. All right, go ahead and add 36 plus 18. Jenny didn't cry to the librarian. She don't want to do the homework. She don't want to do this homework. That's what that is. But she got to do her homework. You can cry many tears, but it's not gonna get rid of this homework. Did you ever carry your one? You didn't carry your one, so your answer is still incorrect. Let's try this again. You crying will not help this homework go away, okay? You're in big girl school now. You must know how to write your full name. All right, 54 is correct. So, what I'm guessing is going on right now. So, if the answer right here, if we know that 9 times 6 is 54, now we just gonna break it down. That's what I'm guessing that it's trying to make us do. So if this is, ooh lordy, if this is 54, if 9 times 6 is 54, 9 plus 1 is 9 plus, why am I so lost? Hold on, mama haven't been in school for a minute, so I'm trying to figure out the answer. Alright, so if this is 9 plus, no, it's not hard, it's just challenging. 9, my gosh. Okay, I really am. I'm trying to teach you this efficiently. Jenny, your name doesn't have that many S's and I's in it. Erase that. You need to be writing exactly what I wrote down, okay, honey? Alright, so this is 9. And then we have blank times 5. Because we have to make this make 54. We already know what 9 times 6 is. It's 54. You looking? 9 times 6 is 54. So we're trying to make this equal 54. That's what we're working on right now. So I'm trying to figure out. Okay. So it's 45. So this is 45. Then 45 bring down to 9 plus 45 is what? It is 54. Good job. Phenomenal job. But I have to figure out a way that you can get that answer. I just don't know how to teach it full out to you. No, it's a 4. I'm writing with my finger so it looks different. Alright, so let's hope for the best. Alright, so let's both look at this video.
How can you break up a multiplication problem? You could use the distributive property of multiplication. Today, we are going to use the distributive property to find a missing factor. Why would we break up a multiplication problem? Well, have you ever finished a big job by doing it in smaller steps? It's the same with multiplication. Let's see how we can use the distributive property of multiplication to find 4 times 7. We can model this problem with an array. Our array has 4 rows and 7 columns. Since this is a lot of
5 right here and 2 right here because it equals 7. So how could you break down 4 if you had to break it down some more? What equation will give you 4? 5 plus 2 equals 7. What equation could you do for 4? To get to 4? Yeah. I can do 4 times 1. No, we're talking about a different. What can you do? What equation can you do to come up with 4? 2 plus 2
want
equals
to know
4.
how many squares there are in all. If we multiply 4 and 5 for these squares and multiply 4 and 2 for these squares, when we add those products together, it is the same as 4 times 7. So this equation shows how to use the distributive property 4 times 5 plus use the distributive property
You
of
got to give some
multiplication
space
to
between your
find the
names.
missing number
You
in
see how
this
much
problem.
space I
3
left
times
between
6
both
equals
your first
3
name and your
times
last
5,
name?
3
You need to
times
leave
1.
that same space.
Let's look at an
You
array.
hear me?
We have 3 rows and 6 columns to match the
Go ahead
multiplication
and spell
problem.
out your name. Write your name right
Looking
there.
at the right side of our, now we have 3 rows of 5, or 3 times 5, plus 3 rows of 1, or 3 times 1. The missing number matches this part of our array.
That's what I'm not understanding. Let me see exactly what your teacher is telling you to do, because I'm not gonna lie, I am truly confused. Like, if you put this in ways or something, give me one more. So challenging. Use array animation and step by step using the mouse method. I'm trying to figure out. Oh, that's awesome. Oh goodness. So challenging. The reason I got it, I tell me to shake. So you and Miss Shaker went over it together? Oh. I don't know what. I'm gonna have to ask Miss Shaker, can she tutor? Because this right here is throwing me for a loop. And challenging. Okay. We'll come back to the math. Yes. Skip it. But right now, no, I'm not necessarily skipping it, but we're gonna have to come back to it because I gotta take a deeper dive into this homework. I'm kind of confused. Really? Alright, let's go ahead and do multiplication facts. Thank you. Good job. That's how you write your name. Good job. You're doing all the letters. Phenomenal. Alright, I want you to do, you listening? I want you to do all of these, but only the test, okay? What? All of these. I want you to do the test.
Solve the problems quickly so that your
wait,
car wins.
wait. Don't do the test. You can go ahead and just do these all the way down for times 3. I'm gonna ask your teacher for some more help. Nope, missing the E. Miss the E right beside the W again. Alright, when you're writing your name, you need to be starting right here. You're all the way over there. You need to be right over here when you start your J right here, and then write your name full out. You hear me? No, it's not all. No, you don't have to erase anything. Go ahead and start. Write your name right here. Write it all the way down.
Oh yeah, it is 12. Yes, it's in
Baby girl, you're supposed to start from right here. Your J is supposed to be right here. You can't write your words all the way over here. You're not gonna have enough room for your first and last name, honey bunny. That's what I'm telling you. I just wrote the dots where you need to begin your name. You hear me? Your attitude is not gonna help you get out of your homework. You see? You writing right in the middle, you don't have any room for your last name.
multiplication problem. Use the picture to
Multiplication is just like skip count. And if you notice the pattern, 3, 6, 9, yes. Alright, phenomenal. This is how I want you to write your name all the time. You hear me? Go ask the librarian. Oh, never mind. I can set you up right here. Go ask. Go there and throw the paper away. You hear me? Alright, here we go. This one is 10 minus 9. Minus is when you're taking away. Jenny, baby girl. Please stop rubbing your eye. You're gonna make it swollen. Can we please get to focusing on work? Can we please focus now? Put up 10 fingers. Take away 9. That's only 5. You only took away 5. Put up 10 fingers. How many fingers do you have left? Alright, go ahead and type in 1. Back. Let me see. Just the prop. So for multiplication, You can use skip counting, and you can use number groups. Match the multiplication problems to their answers. Well, what method when to do division and when to do multiplication? All right, let's go ahead and get packing there so we can go to our next destination. This is like really so cool. They got a book vending machine, and all you have to do is scan your library card. You can get the book. That is like the coolest thing. And I love how they have a camera in here as well. So nothing crazy. What happened? Well, it's less likely, I'll say that. But yeah, cool environment. They got 2 TVs in here. I don't know what they use it for, but it's here. And in this room, I guess you could say that I'm able to like sit over to the side, like sit in the little chair, charge up my things if need be. Like this would probably be the place that I'll come if we don't have much time, so I don't be rushing. I could probably come here and sit at the library on certain days, but beats me. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna balance it out and clean and cook and get the kids ready for sleep and be nurturing. This is a lot right here.
Mommy, do I need to make?
At least 3.
Oh.
Let me see.
Oh, wait.
That's good. All right, let's go on to multiplying by 4s.
Fill in the blank with the missing number.
When you multiply by 4s, you just remember.
10 by 4s.
Yes, basically, that's how that works.
Easy. That's 20. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yep, I got it right.
This is wonderful.
28, 29, 30, 31, 32.
I'm going to go ahead and write out your spelling words as well so you can copy it. Okay? Jenny, do you like doing subtraction more than addition? Do you like doing subtraction more or addition more? Do you like adding or do you like taking away more?
Adding.
All right, I wrote down your spelling words.
No. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. I was not done with that. No. Okay. Let's see. I wasn't doing nothing yet.
And where I'm underlining at, you don't have to underline it when you write it.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just underlining the most important sounds that you should remember.
Okay, why I keep doing 40, 101, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. I did not mean to make an arm. Really like 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Right on the job.
Phenomenal angels.
Yes! Look, I just look 4.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Outstanding. Great
Mommy, I
effort.
pressed 4, but...
Go ahead and copy it right here, just one time.
Mm-hmm.
Matter of fact, do it 2 times, okay? On each row. 1, 2, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Can I put my fingers?
Yeah, if that's what helps you.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take away 2 plus 6 equals 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I was right.
Good job.
Oh,
I
I'll
love
just
how
take 2 away.
y'all are working so hard.
Yes.
Good job.
Okay, next one.
Y'all are gonna be on ABR tomorrow.